Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana Alicia. If you are new here on this channel, we do like to talk all things locks, lifestyle, family, and mental health. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I know I have been gone away for a while, you guys, but I am trying to come back with the content. I did have a lot of life changes, but now I'm getting back in the routine of my normal self. So hopefully I will definitely have more content coming for you guys. I know you guys are wanting a lock update, which is coming soon, but today we're taking a shift. I'm actually going to be doing my oldest daughter's hair. My daughter, she's at this age now where she likes weave in her hair. She doesn't need the weave, you guys. She has long hair, but every so often I do let her put a little bit of weave in her hair. So today we are doing her hair. The hair that you see that I bought, I did buy the children's pack, which is basically for the black hair, which is basically, it does it the length that is like kid appropriate for little girls. So I bought that. And then she also is at this phase where she likes color, y'all, and I'm not talking about like normal colors or muted colors. She liked those loud colors, so I do gradually put that into her braids whenever I do her hair as well. So as you can see right now here, I have found that if I do section out the hair, it's a lot quicker for me to actually braid her hair. So I do that now. And then the way that I am doing her hair is just basically a 3-row type of situation that I am doing. So that is how I'm going to be doing her hair in this video. The video is a little bit all over the place. This is my first time recording myself doing my daughter's hair. I am going to try to get better at actually recording me doing her hair, try to get the angles a little bit better for you guys. But again, my daughter just turned 5. She still doesn't really like to get her hair done, but she likes to look cute. So, in some parts of the video, you will see where she did get a little attitude. I wasn't braiding tight. She was just over sitting down. We had to take a couple of breaks to even finish her hair. It was an all-day process of doing my daughter's hair, you guys. But like I said, hopefully you guys will see some more videos in the near future of me doing her hair. I'm going to try to do my youngest daughter's hair as well. As you can see, she's in the video making her little appearance. Amelia, she just turned 2 as well. But she doesn't really sit down like that, so we'll see. But like I said, I am trying to get you guys out some more content, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, love, and many blessings.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up. Brings me to 30 hertz straight up. Brings me to
Guys, did y'all like how my mommy did my hair? Look
Okay.
at it.
Italy, turn around slowly. Alright, I say bye.
Bye.